Hi, this week's video of the week is going to feature Google Drawings and how you can use their diagrams feature to make shareable graphic organizers. So to do this, you're going to go to your Google Drive, select New in the top left, and then More. And you'll see a little red icon for Google Drawings. You're going to select that, and it'll create a blank template. So once the template loads, you will be able to go to Insert, and then you would want to select Diagram, and that's going to give you a list of options. So in terms of diagrams, there's grids, a hierarchy, a timeline, process, relationships, and then cycles. And let's say you wanted students to make a timeline. If you select that, you can see there's some options for different timeline templates. And so let's say I wanted to select the first one. I also have the option of selecting how many dates I want to show, and the selections are slightly limited, but it does give you some variability. So I could select a timeline that has 6 different divisions, and then I can also change the color theme if I wanted to do a certain color. So on my template then, on the canvas, I'm able to select them all, and I can reposition it. I can resize them, make them a little bigger. And then from here, I can edit the dates that are here, and there we go. I can edit the dates and insert hyperlinks to other resources. I can share it with someone I'm working with. So there's all kinds of options for this. And to change the color of the background, click, and that gives you options for different background colors. So that's just a quick and easy way to make a graphic organizer and be able to share it with either classmates or teachers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.